Good morning from snowy Iceland, day 5 here, and it's very cold. The car, it was so cold that the trunk is frozen, or we cannot open it, so we started the car already a few minutes ago, and I think it's still frozen. But we're gonna try it, but let's get on the road.
The lights.
So this plan is not gonna work because it's a fresh layer of snow, and under that there's some old compressed snow. But we're gonna take a look up on the hill for the view from there. Have a coffee with a nice view, and maybe make some pictures.
Oh no, look, it's there. Look. You can get really stuck there.
My clown. Oh my god, your pants, schat.
Beautiful.
Right. Let's find some tarmac, and maybe we can go to Vik, and we can go to this little store, have a check up on the beach, and then we have enough time to make it to Soljoljoj. No, Suðujökull.
Flodier. And we're gonna celebrate Ben's birthday.
Oh my God.
Yeah! Frozen tall.
We are back in civilization. We drove back to Vik, and here we are in this nice restaurant, and I have to say it right, it's a restaurant Suðujökull, We're gonna have a nice meal here, and then we do some grocery shopping. Finally the shops are open because of Christmas, they were closed. And then we will take a look at the Black Sand Beach. And after that we will drive to Flodier. Flodier.
Look at this. Look at the. There. A little bit to the right. Now turn around. Turn around now.
Turn around.
There, to the other side. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Make a wish.
Waarom?
Make a wish.
Ja. Ja.
Blow.
Wow, if you're here guys, really visit this restaurant. Alright. Let's go for
On the beach.
oh yeah. First groceries, I think. That's closing automatically, schat. So first we're gonna get the groceries and then we go to Black Beach. Happy birthday.
What?
Your own bag. Alright, we're late for the accommodation, or we have to be there in 1.5 hours and it's 2 hours driving. So shall we go, darling? Look what my darling arranged
For your birthday.
for my birthday. Not my birthdays, but this is nice. It's a lighthouse. I don't know for which coast, but for sure we're gonna have an amazing view from our bedroom.
3 times 0 and 4.
3 times 0 and
Give me
4.
phone, wait.
So I guess for the other apartments it's 3 times 0 and then the number. So if you're in Iceland, that works. Oh wow. Wow.
Happy birthday.
What the fuck? Guys, this is so fucking nice. Look at this. Okay, so we have a super nice accommodation to sleep. And nearby is the second surprise for me, the oldest hot springs in Iceland. And we are going to experience this.
Yeah, hot water.
Alright guys, cameras are allowed here. This is so fucking awesome. I'm going in. Thank you.
100 degree, this 100 degree water.
No, not this. I think there it's 100 degrees. Oh, this is so
Look here, come
fucking
here.
nice.
He's so warm.
Oh, oof.
You hate hot water, I know.
Oh, this is so hot. Sick. I think that was the first bathhouse where they dressed up before.
Eyelashes not frozen there. Oh, I can see. They're frozen. wait, don't move.